Well, hey, Catherine here. I'm introducing you today to the Enchanted Forest bundle. This is going to hit the shop on May 8th. Unless you're a Stamp Nation member, you get a few special perks, including early ordering, and there is some coordinating products to this bundle that will be in the Stamp Nation exclusive section of the shop, so stay tuned for that. But we have this gorgeous fern set. It also goes really great with the Never Forget Fern in our Page from the Book Storybook bundle. And here is the dies. Be on the lookout because Tracy Pond used these dies as peppers. Oh my goodness, so much fun. So really gorgeous ferns, great design options, and then this little bird set, this Fluttering Friends. I know this is going to be a crowd favorite. You guys are going to love this. These little birds are so cute. And then this card has the sentiment just stamped as a background and a couple of those pieces of foliage, and you're getting a little peek at a product I haven't shown you yet in this card. And then we have the F as in background stamp. You can see it on this card. It has definitions and fun F words that well, good F words, okay? Let's not get crazy. And then the Just Wonderful stamp set. I love this floral. I am always a sucker for a whimsical, fun floral stamp set. Oh, you guys, here is this peek at the one of the Stamp Nation products with the Just Wonderful floral. It has a fun kind of Alice in Wonderland feel to it. And let's just go crazy. Let's get some stamping done. So I'm using the Just Wonderful floral. I'm stamping it in rose petals. We want 2 shades of rose petals, so I'm going to stamp it off and do that background stamp and then go full strength with the outline stamp. And you can also use the outline stamp on its own and color it in. So lots of versatility there for you. And then we're going to grab lemongrass and green tea and stamp some of the leaves. So I die cut most of the pieces first, and then I'm stamping on top of the die cuts. With the flowers, I did stamp them first and then die cut. And you see they're whimsical, and they have a little bit of wiggle room there, so it's not an exact perfect cut, so it's very forgiving. The last flower here I'll do with Stone Blue and our Navy Juniper Mist. A lot of you have been asking for a navy, so I'm wondering if you guys missed Juniper Mist. It is our gorgeous navy in the Spa collection. The Just Wonderful stamp set includes this really fantastic border stamp. It's this awesome checkerboard, so I'm going to stamp that in Stone Blue, and then I arranged my flowers on top just to kind of get a feel of how I wanted them. And then my greeting. Okay, don't freak out. I'm doing a little stamp surgery because I want the greeting stacked more. I don't want it straight across. And so I cut it like jagged so that when I want to stamp it in a line, I can fit it together really easily. So I'm just lining it up the way I want it stamped. I'm picking it up with my circle block, and there, that's it. A wonderful time was had. How about that for a thank you note for someone that invited you to a function? I think it's a really fun way to say thank you. So just arranging these flowers again with the leaves, and then we'll grab some Nuvo glue, which is my new favorite glue. It's a really ergonomical, nice feel in your hand kind of bottle. It has a thin nozzle on it, so you can get little bits of glue where you want it. And then some of these flowers I'm just gluing right to the card front, and others I'm popping up with some dimensional adhesive. And then here's our Juniper Mist again, our fabulous navy. Just gonna add a couple little flowers, and then this darling butterfly. So I'm just gonna stamp it right on the card front and stamp it in rose petals, stamped off once, and then full strength. To finish off the card, I'm adding these Crystal Gems by Nuvo. Just glue the flat back right onto your card for a great sparkle and shine. Love them. All these products hit the shop on May 8th. Our hops start the same day, and we have one more bundle to reveal. So here is a peek at some things. You might see some Easter eggs in there. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, and thank you so much for being here.